According to the Archaeological Center in Uppåkraa, traces of Iron Age, Bronze Age, and Stone Age can be found in the village.
Det finns barn.
Ja, men vi går.
After Uppåkraa, we visited Jakriborg. It is a housing state that is constructed differently from other housing states. It is located in the urban of Hjärup in the municipality of Straffanstorp. The architecture is quite related to the pre-industrial style in some villages in Lund. If you have visited Nyhavn in Copenhagen, Denmark, you will notice that it is quite similar. While we were walking around, it reminded me of Zandaam in Amsterdam. The uniqueness of this housing state makes it a tourist attraction. visiting Uppåkraa, the Viking village, and Jakriborg, the housing state that was constructed differently from other housing states, we are now in Lomma. I have heard that Lomma is the Miami version in Sweden. Aside from walking around, there are also restaurants, cafes, and bars if you're feeling to just sit down and chill or eat. There is also a beach nearby where you can take your family and do picnic. That's it for now. If you like the video, hit like, and if you want more updates about all places of Sweden, subscribe and share.
Damas elephant.